Hi guys, it's Christina Marie here with the Fab Fit Fun Winter Editor's Box. We'll be unboxing this in just a moment. If you are new to my channel, we do beauty box subscription unboxings, as well as reviews, tutorials, and the occasional giveaway. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, it would really mean a lot to me for you to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. For every 1,000 subscribers that we do get to this channel, we do give away free beauty products, so you want to stay tuned for that. If you are new to Fab Fit Fun, it's a quarterly beauty and lifestyle subscription box for $49.99. It has over $200 worth of beauty products in it. I will have a link down below for $10 off your first box. In the mid-season, between the two boxes, they have what they call their editor sale, where you can get products from 30 to 70% off, really great deals. You can also pick up the editor's box, which is a box that the editors put together of kind of all their favorite things. And I got this box for $49.99. Normally, you can go on there and it'll list what's exactly in the box, and it'll also let you customize it a little bit. When I purchased mine though, this was the first time that I wasn't able to do that. So it's kind of like a mystery box to me, figure out what's inside. I'm hoping that I really love it. I'm kind of scared. So let's get into this box and find out what's inside. So the box comes in this really cute box here. Talks about the kindness factory down here. So let's open this guy up. It's a really sturdy box for even, you know, if you want to store stuff under your bed, in your closet, whatever like that. So it comes like this. Talks about Fab Fit Fun editor's box back here. Here's what it looks like. So the first thing is a note from us at Fab Fit Fun. We're all about bringing you the best of the best. We handpicked each item with you in mind, filling this box with our top-rated brands and products, most beloved to our editors and members. It's one of our favorites, so we hope that you love it as much as we do. Hugs and kisses, Fab Fit Fun. And on the back here, it talks about all of the different products as well as the retail prices. So it also comes with this little magazine, this gorgeous girl on the front, talking about your box is full of secrets and we're sharing them. And then there's a little note from the co-founder of Fab Fit Fun here. It talks about different perks of your perks where you get member discounts, and it talks about, you know, add-ons, some of their top-rated products. And there's a note from a couple of girls that works there, 5 ways to boost your workout. So it's more than just, you know, beauty products in there. There are a bunch of lifestyle products as well. It gives you a little horoscope on the back and a little fun little crossword puzzle. So, yeah, it's all tissue wrapped with the little Fab Fit Fun sticker inside. I haven't taken a peek yet, so let's open this up. So, I'm just unwrapping the box here. And the first thing I see, is Spongella. I actually use this in my shower right now. And what it is, it's a body wash infused buffer. So it's already got the body wash kind of in it. I'm gonna open it here so you can take a look. And when you first use it, you know, kind of really get it in, work your hands in there, make it lather up. It's gonna be kind of stiff at first, and that's really great for exfoliating your skin. And so it says that it's got about 30 to 40 uses. You know, so about once a month you can go in and replace this. It talks about how it's an exfoliating texture of the sponge instantly changes into soft, silky one as you cleanse and moisturize your body. So this retails for $16. Next we have, what's this? This is from Pure One. It's their 3 mini ceramic prep bowls. And what this is, take your kitchen to the next level with these chic ceramic nesting bowls. Retails for $24.95. So let's open this guy up. Grab my scissors here to open the box on this one. So it kind of comes like this. Looks like almost upside down. These are cute little pastel colors. So here's the pink. There's a light blue. And then kind of this mint green color. Those would be really cute. Put little maybe toppings out if you're doing a sundae bar, or all sorts of different things. I use them a lot. Things like this for if I'm having like pork and seeds and you want to put the seeds in one of the little containers. So it's perfect for that. So I'm just going to set these to the side here. Okay. Next we have, ooh, guys, this is the Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. It instantly highlights your eyes, cupid's bows, and more with the silky champagne eye brightener, which is infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. We actually got this in a past box, and I think I have it right here because I have it on already. I have this exact product up here and kind of in my inner eyes. So it's on the brow bone, inner eyes is where I like to use it. And this is mine that I already have. And I'm just kind of gonna draw on my hand here. It's kind of give you a champagne type color. And it's a really pretty like highlighter you can use. I really like this. I'm glad I got a second one. Okay. And that one retails for, I don't know if I told you, $24. So next we have the Renee Foutier, I don't know if I pronounced that right, Paris Ritual Hydrating Ritual Hydrating Shine Mask for dry hair. So this is going to be your hair mask, and it is, just trying to find it here on the sheet for you. So this one retails for $36. It is infused with nourishing shea oil. This deep conditioning mask gives your hair optimal hydration for soothed, smoky locks. I need all the help I can get with my hair because it's super dry colored. I'm really excited to try this one out. I usually do hair masks about a couple times a week. So then we have, we got these in a past box too. It is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxidating Deep Cleansing Pack. You watch the mask activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly reveal glowing, deeply purified complexion. And these retail for $18 for the two of them. We got two of them in this pack. And it's a really fun mask, you guys. You put it on, it kind of bubbles up, and it's kind of weird at first. And you're like, I don't know. And then it just really deeply cleanses. I really like them. I've got a masking video coming up where I'm going to be doing some of these. So stay tuned for that. Next we have the black under eye mask with hyaluronic acid. We did get this in a past box too. It is the hydrogel eye mask with hyaluronic acid. There are 5 packs of these. Is your under eye puffy or swollen? Depuff the night away with activated charcoal. Retails for $29. Guys, I swear by these. Whenever I have a big night or something coming up, I always use these things. They're really great. And let me open them up here so I can kind of show you what they look like. Come on. Here There we go. So they're kind of curved, so you just place it, you know, under the eye, one on each side. And see if it says how long to put them on here. On the back, it's really cute. It says, late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights can have on our peppers looking well and not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on your activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny self. Let's see, and these are super cute. I love using these. So what it says is, cleanse your eye area. Next, gently, carefully put them on and leave for 10 to 15 minutes before carefully peeling them off. To continue bright-eyed ways, it talks about using their eye mask twice a week until you kick those bad habits, or until the end of time. Our money is on the ladder. Kind of cute. I love how cheeky they are with that. Okay. So next in here, we have the African Botanical Hand Cream. You guys, I've heard really, really good things about this. I have not used this yet. I'm looking forward to it. It's an age-defying hand treatment, offers restorative hydration and a calming scent of wild rosemary, leaf, and Cape Rose geranium. This box here is $55. I don't think I would normally spend $55 on a hand cream, but this just paid for the entire box itself. So let's get this open. So here's what it looks like. Just kind of open this here. It's got a little safety seal. So let's get that pulled off. I am all about hand creams because your back of your hands really tell signs of aging. And so if we can find a good one, I'm all about that. So let's kind of rub this in here. You just need a little bit. A little bit will go a long ways. You can really smell the rosemary and the geranium. So here's what it kind of looks like afterwards. It feels really good on the skin. I really like it. And yeah, so next we have, this box keeps on going. Ooh, what is this? Amy Kestenberg. This one is Amy Kestenberg Mariana Flat Wallet. It is, how chic is this bifold wallet? Well, let's open this up before I keep reading. It comes in plastic wrap, and then it comes in this little protective case. And on the inside, ooh. So here's the wallet. It does have a spot for change here on the back. And then on the inside, there's a spot for 6 different credit cards. You can get a little pocket here for your cash. And then on this side, there's a pocket if you want to pay more cash or whatever over on this side. So what this says is that it is a how chic is this Billfold wallet. It features 2 packets and 6 credit card slots for you to fit the essentials. Retails for $48 for this little wallet. How great is that, you guys? Okay, last but not least, we have this black bag, ooh, from Summer and Rose. I like Summer and Rose products. I've been getting them in Fab Fit Fun now for a while. They're the ones who turned me on to them. Now, if I can just get, to take my scissors here to get this open. All I'm doing is opening up the bag. Okay. Ooh, this is super cute, you guys. So it comes like this. And then let's open it and you just slide it out of the slot here. And then it's got, you know, if you want to use it just as a clutch, you can. If you want to, you know, put the hooks on and use it as a crossbody, you can. So then just comes here, and there's an extra pocket here that you can put your driver's license or your keys or anything small right there. I love a clutch that's about this size. So what this one says is that it is a we found your new go-to bag of the season. The minimalistic design makes this crossbody the perfect accessory to take you from day to night, and it retails for $58. The total price of this box was $308. Not bad for only spending $49.99. You know, I was really nervous in the beginning because I wasn't able to do the customization. So let's kind of look here at some of what the choices were. So you could have got the crossbody or a scarf. I'm glad that they chose a crossbody for me. That's what I would have chosen. You could have got the Glam Glow bubble sheets or the essential oils. I've already have the essential oils, and I really like the Glam Glow, so I'm glad I got more of those. You could have got an exfoliating treatment from Kate Somerville or the hand cream. I think I'm gonna really like this hand cream, so I'm glad they chose that for me. And you could have got the wallet or the Mark and Graham color block throw. I did already receive the throw in a pass box, so I'm glad that I got the wallet. So overall, you guys, I would have chosen every single one of these customizations. For me personally, they did a really good job. I just wish that I would have had the choice in the very beginning to select which items I liked. So my favorite items are gonna be the African Botanics hand cream. I cannot wait to try this. And as you guys know, I already really like the Thrive products. It's gonna be great. I do wish that there was a little bit more makeup in the bag because I'm a makeup girl. And what was your guys' favorites? What did you like? What did you love? What were you going to pass on? Let me know in the comments below. I did also purchase, when they were doing their edit sale, their mystery bundle. So I will be doing a separate video unboxing that. So stay tuned for that. As always, you guys, have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.